What's up, fellas? How we doing? We'll run one box today, and then I'm tapped. Had a good day with Adam yesterday and the Redline guys. Dave and Mr. Halfhill. But we will run one. I have no problem running one. I do have one full-size helmet left. I have an autographed basketball left. And then obviously the wall with the new items, which you guys seen last night, are cleats. Trying to think of something else to put in there. Kind of change some stuff up, do something different that nobody else is doing. So we have 1 through 18, one's here, down to 8. There's 9, 10, and then down to 18. 20-sided die. And numbers are as follows. Tuna has the 0, Ty G has the 1, Blanco has the 2, Trev has the 3, Biscup has the 4, Dan has the 5, Joe has the 6, Bramante has the 7, Rhodes has the 8, Dan has the 9. That would be number 2. Number 2. Number 2. See a little better without the plastic on. One more time. Tuna 0, Ty 1, Blanco 2, Trev 3, Biscuit 4, Dan 5, Joe 6, Bramante 7, Rhodes 8, Dan 9. Oh, very cool. JSA. Pulled his cleat last night going out to Enderlin. That'd be Rod Woodson, Hall of Fame 2009 inscription. Rod Woodson going to a Browns fan. Going to Enderlin. There it is. Hot Rod Woodson. JSA cert. There it is, fellas. As Matt would say, stay safe and have a good weekend, fellas. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. And as always, Mud City.